seeing right in front of you?
That yours, no? That is yours.
Wet man for the wet girl.
Atida!
What? How you mean? What do you mean Atida? Now that's a car, what's your problem?
Atida? This is...
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on. This is mine? Like,
It's yours. Like...
this is not even new!